I was going through a bag of watches I got for 20 bucks at a flea market, seeing if any, batteries. This Accutron is actually pretty nice. And I came across this, which looks like it should fit perfectly in a bag of kind of watches that you see on a table, but I opened it up. I'm going to see if I can get the movement out here. And it is the most beautiful Bulova, if I can do this with one hand, movement I've seen. That is a gorgeous working movement attached to a pretty gaudy looking face. But does anyone know anything about this watch or this movement? It says it is a 12K rolled back plate, and I just don't, I'm amazed at how beautiful this is. I don't really know that much about the watch. Any information would be a help. Thank you.